Gently cleans and restores down's natural loft. Includes 2 dryer balls made of 100% wool. Highly concentrated detergent that lasts for many washes. Close all zippers and fasten all buttons. Wash according to the garment's care instructions. Shake the bottle and add down wash according to the instructions on the bottle. Do not use fabric softener. Also suitable for duvets and down pillows. EXPRO Down Wash Kit is a gentle detergent developed to clean, restore, and strengthen down fibers. It also includes 2 wool dryer balls that help restore loft and prevent the down from clumping. Dry according to the garment's care instructions. Always use dryer balls in the tumble dryer. EXPRO Protection and Care extends garment lifespan and appearance, fragrance-free and gentle, developed and produced in Sweden and certified according to Okotex Eco Passport.